So in this video, i-discuss ko yung properties and reactions ng cyclopropane. So cyclopropane is a special cyclic hydrocarbon because number one, it is the smallest possible cyclic alkane that you can build. Okay? Kasi you need a minimum of 3 carbons para makapag-form ka ng cyclic alkane. You cannot form a cyclic alkane using 2 carbons only. Okay? This is basic geometric concepts. Okay? So due to the geometry of the cyclopropane, 60 degrees lang yung internal angles niya. This is very far from the 109.5 degrees na typical for tetrahedral carbons. So therefore, meron kang 49.5 degrees na angle strain. Okay? So due to this large angle strain, very reactive ang ating cyclopropane. So for example, dito sa hydrohalogenation, makikita natin na it acts as a nucleophile kapag ka nag-add tayo ng hydrohalogen. So in this example, nag-add tayo ng hydrogen chloride, or kapag nasa aqueous solution siya, ang tawag sa kanya ay hydrochloric acid. Okay? So this particular nucleophilic attack produces a carbocation intermediate. Okay? Tapos, aatakihin siya ng chloride na na-form dito sa unang step. Okay? So magpo-form ka ng alkyl chloride, or specifically the 1-chloropropane. Okay? However, dito sa free radical halogenation, hindi natin na-open yung ring. Ang nangyayari lang sa kanya is typical addition of the halide doon sa cyclopropane ring. So if you add Br2 with either light or heat, tapos meron kang organic solvent like CCl4, okay, mapoproduce ka lang ng bromocyclopropane. Okay? So however, if you put a Lewis acid, for example FeBr3, through catalytic dihalogenation, so mangyayari muna dyan, yung bromine, okay, magre-react muna siya, or mag-acid-base reaction siya, Lewis acid, Lewis-base interaction sa FeBr3. So magpo-form siya ng ganitong intermediate. Okay? So since this is a very positive bromide or bromine, this becomes an electrophilic bromine. So atakihin siya nung iyong cyclopropane. So this nucleophilic attack causes this bond to go back to the bromine. Tapos magkakaroon ka ng bromopropyl intermediate. This intermediate is then being attacked, okay, by this bond right here. Yung bond ng bromine ion, since ion is negative, kailangan niyang mawalan ng negative charge. So yung bond na to mapupunta siya dun sa carbocation. So magpo-form ka ng 1,3-dibromopropane. Okay? So kapag ka isusulat natin yung overall reaction, okay, cyclopropane, Br2, FeBr3, magpo-produce tayo ng dihalogenated na product. Okay? So that's 3 of the mechanisms na pinakita ko sa reactions ng mga cyclopropanes. Okay? So here are some of the ring opening reactions of cyclopropane. So una, this is catalytic hydrogenation. Okay? So this catalytic hydrogenation is heterogeneous. Okay? Because this nickel is solid and this hydrogen is a gas. Okay? So ano nangyayari sa catalytic hydrogenation? So if you have a nickel surface, okay, ito yung metal na nickel, mag-a-attach yung hydrogen nyo doon through complexations. Okay? So this interaction, okay, will help the cyclopropane approach the hydrogen kasi nakastack siya doon sa nickel. So kapag nakastack siya sa nickel, once the cyclopropane approaches the hydrogens, okay, immediately magkakaroon ka ng interaction which will break the hydrogen-hydrogen bond and as well as break the cyclopropane ring. So mangyayari, magiging hydrogenated na yung propane. So magpo-produce ka ng propane. Okay? So this catalytic hydrogenation is fast, it's very fast, but it depends on the pressure of your hydrogen in the system. So usually mataas ang pressure na hydrogen na kailangan dito if you need a faster rate of hydrogenation. Okay? So, next is catalytic halogenation naman. So, naipakita ko na yung mechanism nito dun sa kanina. So, kapag chlorine yung nilagay mo, you need an FeCl3 catalyst. Tapos, ang mapoproduce mo ay yung 1,3-dichloropropane. Okay? Kapag Br2 naman, 1,3-dibromopropane. So, this catalytic halogenation reaction opens the cyclopropane rings. Okay? So, next is the hydrohalogenation. So, pinakita ko na rin yung mechanism nito. So if you add a hydrohalogen, or in this case, hydrogen bromide and hydrogen chloride, okay, mag-a-act as nucleophile yung iyong cyclopropane, okay? Tapos magpo-produce siya ng alkyl bromide or propyl bromide tsaka propyl chloride. Okay? So here we have some sample problem. So we just have to predict the product of each reaction. So for number 1, you are adding HCl to methyl cyclopropane. So what would be the product? Siyempre, i-consider natin kung ano yung carbocation na mas stable. Okay? So pag nilagay natin to sa mechanism, okay? Kapag ito yung nag-add, magpo-produce tayo ng primary carbocation. So either of the two is a primary carbocation, potentially a primary carbocation, di ba? Pero kung ito yung attack, okay, this one is a secondary carbocation in the making, di ba? So potentially magiging secondary carbocation siya. So pagka natak niya yan, pupunta sa Cl yung HCl bond. So mapupunta dito yung H, and we have the secondary carbocation, which is more stable than the primary. Then we will add Cl. Okay? So yung Cl, atakin niya yung carbocation, it will produce this product. Okay? So the product is 2-chlorobutane. Okay? So let's proceed to number 2. This is a catalytic bromination. Okay? So pwede nating i-cut to kapag yan yung nag-open, magkakaroon tayo ng secondary carbocation. Pero kapag in-open din natin to, magkakaroon din tayo ng possible na secondary carbocation. So meron tayong dalawang possible products. So susulat natin yung dalawang yon. Okay? So yung una, kapag ito yung natanggal. Okay? So ilalagay lang natin yung bromine sa dalawang carbon na yon. Okay? So that's the first product. So let me fix this. Okay? Yan yung unang product. Plus, kapag ito naman yung nakat, okay? So let's draw the cyclopropane. Tapos, i-cut natin dito. Okay? And then we put the bromine. Okay? Yan. Yan yung pangalawang product. Okay? So, urong ko lang tong dalawa. Okay? Yan. So, next is yung free radical bromination ng ating methyl cyclopropane. So, tingnan natin ngayon kung ano yung carbon na malalagyan ng bromine. Since bromine is very selective sa tertiary, and then sa secondary, and then sa primary, hanap tayo ngayon ng most substituted carbon. So, this is the most substituted carbon in this structure. So, magiging product lang natin dyan ay 1-bromo, 1-methyl cyclopropane. Okay? So, for number 4, we have the addition of hydrogen bromide sa 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane. So, ano kaya magiging product niya? So, pag kinat natin to, magpo-produce tayo ng secondary carbocation either way. Okay? Pag ito naman yung kinat, may potential tayong formation ng secondary carbocation din. So, meron tayong dalawang possible products. Okay? So, ito yung unang product. Plus, yung kapag yung nasa ilalim, yung nakat. Okay? So, ikakat natin to. And then, we will add the hydrogen in the less substituted carbon, bromine in the more substituted carbon. Okay? So, ayan yung ating sample problem for the cyclopropane ring opening reactions. So, sa mga susunod na meeting, i-discuss ko na yung alkyl halides, alkenes, and alkynes. So, see you next video.